And thank you so much for joining us for this very special edition of All Angles. I'm Dion Jackson. I keep saying it's one of my favorite programs for the year. It's our Young Achievers special. And we have 4 amazing young people that we're going to be interviewing during this program. So stay tuned because we have coming up Jamaica's 2022 Rhodes Scholar David Salmon. We have Jamaica's first Muslim woman pilot, Sana Al-Sabah. She'll be talking to us as well. And we're also going to be linking with the world under 20 triple jump champion, Jaden Hibbert. Before we get to them though, let's start off with recording artist Romario Laa Lee Ricketts. So what was 2022 like for you?
2022 has been a great year. It's a year that has left me with a lot of smile, a lot of laughter, and a lot of fun.
What's been your biggest achievement?
My biggest achievement, I would say, was when I called my mom on stage to dance with me at some fest. That was amazing. So that's my biggest achievement.
Take me to that point and ask and tell me why, out of all the things that you did this year, you pinpoint that particular moment.
As a youth, we are come from the jungle, and the lady I grew up from me a youth. Watch her sell downtown, watch her struggle, and if she can see her son entertain the world and she can help her son entertain the world, why not? So that was amazing, entertaining the place with my mom.
Was there ever a point where she thought music was a waste of time for you?
Nah, she never think that. She never expect me to become a musician because I wasn't about music.
Let me tell you why I asked, because there's this line in Dirt Bones.
Oh, yeah, man, she cussed about this one time, but I never the music part. And when I youth, man, she cussed about for everything. If I stay on the style mode list, if my part, my friend, me and my friend, them mode list, I just want them mind they were just always want me to do the best for myself, you get me?
And then the next line is, Mommy, I'm not what list. So
just
is it
watch
that,
this, you get me?
So is it that moment when you were able to bring her up on stage with you was a way of you also saying that, look, Mommy, look up and do it?
Hey, you know, I never made that, you just show me the lyrics, I never really made that still, I'm just don't have fun with my mother and show the world.
Yeah, what does she mean to you?
I'm everything that, man, I'm a general that, you get me? I'm a G, I'm a dog.
I like how you smile when you say that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You went on tour in the UK, right? And that in itself, the tour got really good reviews, was a big deal. How did it feel, first of all, when you heard that was booked, when you heard, okay, that was on, you were going?
It was amazing because I went to the UK 2 times before. I went in the summer. I went in January and I was signed. That's when I got signed to Black Butter. So it was amazing, and the fact say I was doing it with Sean Paul, so I get to see what the music life is like when you reach a level there. I'm realizing, yo, is that you can't manage the pressure, you can't manage the pressure because it's easy, you get me?
Because you must have grown up watching Sean Paul.
Yeah, man, we grew up watching Sean Paul, and the fact say you can perform alongside him, that's amazing.
You use, take me a little beyond that word because you use that word a lot. So take
amazing.
Me a little bit, tell me a little bit in terms of...
You're just full of joy, you get me, like, when me I perform with Sean Paul, I say, I can't Sean Paul this, when I watch part on TV, you get me, because I used to grow up, me always say, the musicians have it easy, them just sing song, perform, get rich. But when you realize the music difficult, because today you're the best thing, and as somebody else come, them remember you. So you have to always up to them ears or give them something where booming, you get me? Or you just make sure your catalog big like Sean Paul one, so you always a boom.
Who were your heroes, in fact, growing up in terms of music?
Music-wise, Beanie Man himself, you get me? We just like Beanie Man. Ninja Man. I be a long time artist. I listen to Sean Paul, Shaggy, Shabba Ranks, the whole of them. So the whole of them, Papa San, the whole of them. So I don't have no particular one, but I like everybody. Because my father, when I grew up, I watched Be a Long Time Sting and them things there. So we learn look at the stagecraft from the elders them and the performance from the elders them.
So were you always consciously watching with that in mind, say, boy, one day I want to be doing that?
You know, no, I'm just impressed. Me, I wonder how them man they rock the crowd, so you get me? Them do something with the younger youth them now. They like the man them just presence, no auto-tune, no them tracks are play, bands are play, and then just come out. And Ninja, if Ninja Man can say hold down and the whole place freeze, why you not for shock? That mad.
So we all know that